Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now I bring you the unusual story of Dubai cancelling 3 months visas, 3 months tourist visas to Nigerians, to Nigerian passport holders. Now previously Nigerians used to be able to get a 3 months visiting visa to Dubai with ease because Nigerians are one of the highest, if not the highest spenders in that emirate. In fact, I think about 15% they said of the total worth of that emirate is actually Nigerian money. The properties, they're going there to buy gold, they're going there for parties, etc. So Nigerians are one of the most frequent travelers to Dubai, and as a result they get an ease of travel to Dubai. But now it seems as though that ease of travel is now being pulled back a bit, with that 3 months visa now being pulled back. So let me bring you the story. It says United Arab Emirates cancels 3 months tourist visa for Nigerian passport holders until further notice. So this is a notice from Africa Holiday Travel Notification. So this is a travel agency that obviously runs that Dubai route. It says Nigerian passport holders are no longer eligible to 3 months UAE tourist visas. Nigerian passport holders are now restricted to 1 month, 96 hours and 48 hours UAE tourist visas till further notice. So you can either get 1 month, or you can get a 96 hours visa, or you can get a 48 hours visa, but you cannot get a 3 month visa. This is according to this story, and I've not really verified it independently, so I'm just bringing it to you as I see it. It says the United Arab Emirates has cancelled 3 months tourist visas for Nigerian passport holders following the arrest of 5 Nigerians for robbery in Dubai. According to Africa Holiday, Nigeria passport holders are no longer eligible to 3 months UAE tourist visas. They are now restricted to 1 month, 96 hours and 48 hours UAE tourist visas until further notice. Now, I'm sure you are all aware that there was the story that broke about 5 Nigerians that went to go and rob in Dubai. You know, Dubai is a fairly crime-free city. I'm not quite sure yet if that story has been fully verified, by the way, but that's the story, and that is what this new move by the Emirates is now being pinned on. So now let's go to some of the comments that's been made regarding this. So this is the comment section of this article that I've just read to you. So this is Latif Yusuf. This is what he has to say. He goes by the title Igbos. Igbo Biafra Nasina Latif. So he is blaming it on the Igbos. This is what Frequency Unlimited said. See what those idiots have caused. So they are blaming it all on the people who are alleged to have carried out this atrocity, this crime, this robbery. Juliet Iwuno. Too bad. Mommy J, take note. I don't know who Mommy J is, but that's probably some socialite that she's referencing there. So this is what Anonymous said. Anonymous, they are bastards. It was only a matter of time. Shameless evil idiots. Anywhere they are, they cause problems. Before you talk, they start to mention other ethnicity. They have no shame. They never speak to themselves to criticize everyone else. You will find them at the front of the queue, since we allowed them to migrate into Yoruba land as housemaids and kole. So that's housemaids and packers of rubbish. They have been nothing but an inconvenience. This is what Biafra, he calls it. That's Biafra, I play on the Biafra word. So this is what Biafra will be: a nation of thieves, prostitutes, child sellers. They are dying like rats in Libya. They will fill the prisons from South Africa to India. They themselves will be the architect of their own destruction. So although this guy says he's anonymous, you can tell from the tone that is Yoruba, and you can even guess more about the Yoruba mention, how they are coming to destroy Yoruba land, etc. So clearly it looks as though the people caught for this crime are allegedly Igbo people. So this is another anonymous commentator. Pig, they are Yoruba, okay? So they are now disputing the ethnicity of these alleged robbers. Another anonymous, they will soon be here to tell us everyone commits crime. If it's everyone that has led to this travel ban, that should be is it, but he wrote if. wretched animals. That's what this other anonymous said. Another anonymous, may there be Biafra for these fraudulent folks. Vivian Reginald, she only has one word to say, idiot. Anonymous again, disgraceful people. So this is what Rich Man has to say. Otumba Cash, that disgraced Nigerian, is from where mostly Yorubas are the ones on death row in Saudi Arabia. So it's now turned into an ethnic battle on this commentary thing. Linda, it's confirmed to be fake news. Go check. So they're now even disputing that this actually happened. Now, I'm not sure what's in dispute, that the robbery took place or that the travel ban is in place. I'd be very surprised if the Dubai authorities seek to ban Nigerians, because Nigerians are one of the most traveled people to Dubai, and a lot of Nigerians spend a lot of money within that emirate. So they'll be it's like shooting themselves in the foot, really, to attempt to ban Nigerians, because the amount of money. I mean, look at when Atiku wanted to contest. He went to Dubai, didn't he, to go and bring a train full of a plane full of money to Nigeria to come and run the elections. And the emirate even has agents in all of the big hotels in Nigeria selling property to rich Nigerians, and these rich Nigerians are using those properties as a funnel to steal money. So they go and buy this property in Naira, and then they use that as a means of moving money out of the country. So this is now the pathway for moving money out of the country. So the Dubai authorities are making it easy for Nigerians to loot their country and move that money. So a house that is worth, let's say, 100,000, they'll sell it to them for 2 million. They'll take 1 million from them and give them 1 million back when they get to Dubai. No one cares. It's the Nigerian people that they're stealing it from. The person that is paying the $2 million is free money that he stole. We also Ganduje and all that. So, and the people that are stealing money from him, they don't really care. So it's like the only victim of that crime is the Nigerian population. So this is what they are doing. So I'll be very surprised then if they take this stance just because of a few bad eggs, just 5 people committing a crime in their city, because I'm sure there are other people committing crimes in that city too. So it'll be an extreme. So let's see what another anonymous has to say. To be honest, the Igbo tribe have created more damage to the image of the country, from drugs in China, Malaysia, Brazil, South Africa, to now this most embarrassing robbery case in Dubai. It is high time we allow the Igbos to go and form their Biafra, so we in Nigeria can have some level of sanity and our green passport can be respected. So again, another ethnically based comment. So it looks as though these people are actually Igbo people, and I'm only saying that really from the comments. I'll have to go investigate more to find out. I'm sure their names will be listed somewhere, but from all of the signals from the comment section, it looks as though these are actually Igbo people that committed this crime. Another comment, this is from Heritage. I'm both Igbo and Yoruba, so my comment should not necessarily be seen as bias. Let truth be told, we should erase ethnicity and look for a way forward for our great nation, Nigeria. Those set of boys disgraced us. These Igbo men, and this is their get-rich-quick syndrome, is disgusting. It has become so bad that even if wealth is acquired genuinely, it is not believed. It is termed drugs, fraud, etc. Please, you guys have to be known to be real hustlers, self-made, people that move with pride, knowing that they can easily rise when they fall. A race that has not really benefited from the government yet makes waves. Enough of home-based competition. Be contented and make your tribe proud instead of bringing shame to the whole nation. So this is now somebody, she says she's both Igbo and Yoruba, so she just has a mix in there, but you can tell from the tonality of her comments that she's more Igbo than Yoruba. So maybe her father is Igbo and he married a Yoruba woman, so that's more likely the reading of this comment than anything else. Another anonymous, your ugliness affects your spelling self or there. Now you, Latif, at the top too. So this guy is now referring to an earlier comment. So this is now, this is clearly an Igbo guy who's obviously spent time in Yoruba land, because Ode is a Yoruba word. So, but then obviously the sentiment of his comment is Igbo based. So that's that comment. I'm Yoruba, but I beg, stop this, Igbo das shit. We Yorubas do worse in the UK and even Ibadan here. So it's Nigerians. The foolish guy that stabbed and killed a soldier in the UK, is it not Yoruba? I beg, stop the bullshit, I beg. So that's that. Now that guy now trying to remove the ethnicity from the commentary. Another anonymous, your dirty mouth around noish oshi elenu gota. You know, that's now that guy. Another anonymous, I don't know who this one is lambasting. So this is Frank Afekena, I think his name is. Until Biafra is granted, guys, we all Nigerians, and what we Nigerians are doing as per crime all over the world, even in our own country, Nigeria, should be a great concern to all, and out of anger should be directed to, I'm not quite sure what it means by that, and out of anger should be directed to all tribes, not just calling out one or two tribes like we're doing by pointing fingers towards each other. We are fast becoming the world's #1 criminal citizen, if not already. The entire world sees all as Nigerians with our green passport, not as sectional tribes that we foolishly see ourselves. So that's a key point right there. So when it goes outside of the country, they are not asking if it's Igbo or Yoruba or Hausa. They are only saying a Nigerian because they already have a prejudice against that green passport. So as soon as they see it, they say, oh, it's them again, that kind of thing. So that's what I think he is referencing here. The only way out is for all to keep speaking against crime committed by our fellow countrymen and women across the globe, and stop glorifying ill-gotten wealth like we always do in our society wherever we are, my people. So this is what this guy has to say. A sensible comment, and on it goes. I could read you all the comments, but the whole comment would be another video in itself, I imagine. But let me just give you one more. This is another anonymous. What of the names of the 24 people on death row in Saudi Arabia for carrying drugs? Also, what of the Nigerian lady that was killed yesterday in Saudi Arabia? Why didn't they name those people? Fools. So this guy, another Igbo guy, you can tell really from the tone. You can pretty much tell, no matter if they show their names or not, you can pretty much tell what their ethnicity is by the tonality of their comment. So there you have it, guy. Apparently, allegedly, Dubai is revoking and putting visa restrictions on Nigerians, but they are not, of course, asking Nigerians not to visit, because they'll be foolish to do that, the amount of Nigerian money that comes into that country. So that's the latest development in Nigeria. We have taken our disgraceful behavior to Dubai. Virtually crime-free city state has now been Nigerianized by these 4 guys. I'm not interested in their ethnicity, like somebody said. As soon as you leave the shores of that line, that country rather, as soon as you leave the shores of that country with your green passport, you are a Nigerian. So this is the play now in Dubai. Nigerians, they've taken it there again. What to be one day, another kind of business. So what do you make of all these? Comments in the comment section. But before you come have a conversation with me about this in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray, the bell button so you are notified as soon as I drop a new video. Once you've done both, then let's come chat Dubai, Nigerians, and our behavior abroad in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you there, but here I'll say peace.